Good morning, students. Today we are going to the new topic, that is directive and inverse proportion. Direct and inverse proportion. See, direct and inverse proportion. What is proportion? What is proportion? See, two quantities we are multiplying, that is a proportion. Like a ratio, division, proportion, these all are equal. So we are using division symbol, division. We are using fraction symbol, that is a fraction. We are using ratio symbol, that is a ratio. We are using proportion, means any two quantities. So that two quantities are showing a result, that is a proportion. Here see, direct proportion. Direct proportion. Direct proportion means, for example, Kalyan every day morning prepare tea. So he 2 cups of milk. He needed 4 cups of water. So one day, every day he make tea, 2 cups of milk, he needed 4 cups of water. One day he wanted 4 cups of milk. So visiting his house, some or his friends, see how much water he needed. How much water he needed? First here see 4 by 2. 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. So 1 cup milk, how much cups of water needed? 2. Yes. So now here 4 cups milk. How much water he needed? 4 cross out 2, 8. Like here see. Now this is 4 by 2 equal to, we don't know, water by 4. Here see. 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. 2 by 1 cross out by 4. Here question mark means water. 4 cups of milk, water how much? These 4 moving to LHS. Now here denominator, here comes to numerator. 2 cross out 4, question mark. Question mark is 8. 8 cups of water he needed. So here two quantities increasing. Here see, here 2 cups, here 4 cups. Here this quantity, milk quantity increasing. So here water quantity also increasing. Now two quantities increasing to another quantity and as well as increasing to another quantity. So this one decreasing. Now he made only 1 cup of tea, 1 cup of milk he needed. So how much water he needed? 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of water. Now here he first he needed 2 cups of milk, he needed 4 cups of water. So 2 cups tea he preparing. Here 1 cup of milk he using, 2 cup of water. Here see decreasing this quantity also decreasing. So that is directive proportion. See, two quantities are x, this is a x quantity, this is a y quantity. X and Y quantity both are increasing or both are decreasing. So that is directive principle. Directive proportion. Inverse proportion. One quantity is a high, one like a opposite. One quantity is a increasing, one quantity is a decreasing. Like a one quantity is a decreasing, one quantity is a increasing. That is inverse proportion. Direct proportion, two quantities are increasing or decreasing. That is direct proportion. Inverse proportion, one opposite, like one quantity decreasing and another quantity increasing. Another quantity is increasing, this is a decreasing. So that is the inverse proportion. Where is that star? See, that is a direct proportion. Two quantities are increasing. So two quantities are decreasing. That is a direct proportion. Like examples, we see one or two example problems. Here is the cost of 65 tea packets, same size 2600. What is the cost of 75 such packets? Here see. Example 1. Here 65 tea packets, like here see tea packets. This is X quantity. Money, rupees. This is Y quantity. Suppose 65 tea packets. How much money? 2600. Now 75 tea packets. How much cost? Here see. This is X1, this is Y1, this is X2, this is Y2. X1 by Y1 equal to X2 by Y2. So now X1 how much? 65. X2 how much? Y2, Y1 how much? 2600. Cross equal to Y1 X2 how much? 75. Y2 how much? We don't know. Let X. Let X means anko. Here see. Now these X moving to this side. 65 cross out X. These one moving to this side. 75 cross out 2600. These 65 moving to this side, 75 cross out 2600 by 65. Now 5 13 jar, 5 15 jar, 15 1 jar, 15 2 jar. So 15 2 jar 30. 15 2 jar 30. 2 zeros. So here see X quantity 65, money 2600. Here X quantity increasing, 10 packets are increasing. So here Y quantity also increasing. That is direct proportion. two quantities are increasing as well as two quantities are decreasing, that is a direct proportion. Here following are the car parking charges near railway station. Here see number of hours parking charge. 4 hours 60 rupees, 8 hours 100 rupees, 12 hours 140 rupees, 24 hours 180 rupees. Check if the parking charge and parking hours in direct proportion. Nowadays charging cars, charging vehicles are available in market. Here see one charging vehicle are charging in hours. Here see 4 hours. Number of hours, cost of charge, parking charge. Parking charge. Here see. Now 4 hours a car parking area, 4 hours charge, parking charge how much? 60 rupees. So this is X quantity, this is Y quantity. Second one, number of hours parking charge. This is X quantity, this is Y quantity. 4 hours, how much money? 60 rupees money. 4 hours parking car charge 60 rupees. Now 8 hours 100. Now 12 hours 140. 24 hours 180. So this is just they are asking, check the parking charge and parking hours in the direct proportion. Here see first. Now each hour, how much money? Here see 1 hour parking charge. So 60 by 4 charge by hour. So 4 1 jar, 4 15 jar. 1 hour 15 rupees. So 4 hours how much? 160. Now 8 hours. 8 hours actual charge how much? 120. But here taking 100. 12 hours actual charge how much? 180. Here taking 140. Here 24 hours actual charge how much? 360. But here taking 180. So these all quantities are equal or different. different. Here see, x by y equal to 4 by 60, 8 by 100, 12 by 140, 24 by 180. 4 1 jar, 4 15 jar. Now here see, 4 2 jar, 4 25 jar. 4 3s are 4 10s, 3s are 4 5s are 4 3s are 4 35s are. Next 3 8 jar, no 3 8 jar, 3 60 jar, 12 12 2s are 12 1 jar, 12 15 jar. So here see, 1 by 15, 2 by 25, 3 by 35 and 2 by 50. Here see, here to here 1 by 15, so here 2 hours. Here actual amount how much? 30, but here given 25. See, direct proportion. See, both all quantities are equal, constant increasing or constant decreasing. Here see, here increasing, but here also not constant increasing. See, x quantity increasing, y quantity increasing, but constant increasing or different increasing. These increasing are not equal. Next one, here see, here to here increasing, here to here increasing, but these are constant increasing or not equal, not equal. Here to here decreasing, here to here decreasing. So these one decreasing, here also not equal, decreasing. So this is not direct proportion. Direct proportion. See, now you are understand. Direct proportion means two quantities, xy two quantities are increasing constant, equal. Like here see, now here 120, here 180, here 360. Now here see, 4 by 60, 8 by 120, 12 by 180, 24 by 360. 1 1 jar, 15 jar. 8 1 jar, 8 15 jar. 12 1 jar, 12 15 jar. 24 1 jar, 24 15 jar. Here see, equal constant increasing. This is direct proportion. But here increasing, but constant not. So this is not a direct proportion. Direct proportion means increasing constant or decreasing constant. Next, that is right. If a pipe can fill tank capacity 50 liters in a 5 hours, then how long it will take to fill 75 liters? Third one. Now this is a water tank. This is a water tank. This water tank filled with water. This is a 50 liters capacity. So needed 5 hours. So now easily we said 1 hour. 1 hour how much liters? This one filled with the water 10 liters. So 50 by 5. 5 1 jar, 5 10 jar. So 10 liters 1 hour. So 1 hour taken 10 liters water filled with. Next they are asking 75 liters. 75 liters. How many hours he taking? Now we easily said. Here see 70 plus 5. 75. So 1 hour 10 liters. 70 liters. How many hours? 7 hours. And 5 liters. How many hours taking? Here see 1 liter, 1 hour 10 liters. So 5 liters, half an hour. So 7.5 hours. Now here roughly I explain. This one constant increasing or decreasing. So that is constant increasing. Here see 5 hours a tank 50 liters 50 liters tank filled with water. With water, water, taken time, 5 hours. Now here see x quantity 50, y1 quantity 5 hours. Now next 75 liters tank filled with water, taken time. Here y2, these are y2 quantity. So x1 quantity by y1 quantity equal means both are increasing constant, that's why we are keep equal. So x2 quantity, y2 quantity, x1 quantity 50, y1 quantity how much? 5 1 jar, 5 10 jar. So x2 quantity 75, y2 quantity we don't know. So y2 moving this side, y2 10 moving this side, 75 by 10, 7.